Real growth begins quietly the moment you decide to treat yourself with patience, respect, and consistent care. Becoming better rarely requires dramatic change because small habits repeated daily slowly reshape your entire life. Self-care is not selfish because caring for yourself creates the strength needed to build a meaningful future. The person you become tomorrow is shaped by the tiny decisions you make today. Better life begins with simple actions repeated patiently over time. The first self-care habit is giving your body the deep restorative it truly deserves. Sleep repairs your mind, restores emotional balance, and prepares your energy for tomorrow's responsibilities. Without proper rest, even small problems feel overwhelming and motivation begins quietly fading away. Choosing to sleep earlier is not weakness but a powerful investment in tomorrow's strength. Every night of quality sleep builds a calmer, stronger, and more focused version of yourself. The second self-care habit is moving your body regularly, even when motivation feels distant. Your body was designed for motion, not endless sitting, scrolling, worrying, and quiet exhaustion.
Even a short walk outside can refresh your thoughts and lighten your emotional weight.
Movement releases tension that silently builds inside muscles during stressful daily routines.
Every step forward becomes a small promise that you are choosing progress over stagnation. The third self-care habit is protecting your attention from endless digital noise. Your focus is one of the most valuable resources your mind will ever possess. When attention becomes scattered, your thoughts become heavier and your goals begin losing clarity. Creating small pockets of quiet throughout the day allows your mind to breathe again. Even 10 peaceful minutes without screens can restore creativity, patience, and emotional balance. The fourth self-care habit is speaking kindly to yourself during difficult moments. Your inner voice becomes the environment where confidence either grows or slowly disappears. Harsh self-criticism drains motivation faster than failure ever could. Encouraging self-talk builds resilience and helps you continue moving forward during setbacks. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping succeed in life. The fifth self-care habit is feeding your mind with knowledge that encourages growth. What you read, watch, and listen to quietly shapes your beliefs and decisions. Choose information that challenges you to think deeper and become wiser each day. Growth begins the moment curiosity becomes stronger than comfort. Every new idea becomes a tool that helps you design a better future. The sixth self-care habit is practicing gratitude even when life feels imperfect.
Gratitude gently shifts attention away from what is missing toward what already exists.
This simple habit slowly trains your brain to notice opportunities instead of problems. When appreciation becomes natural, happiness no longer depends on perfect circumstances. A grateful perspective transforms ordinary days into quiet victories worth celebrating.
Improving yourself does not require becoming someone new.
Self-improvement means discovering the strongest version already inside you. Your habits reveal the direction your life is currently moving toward. Change those habits and your future will naturally begin changing too. Small actions repeated daily quietly shape powerful long-term results. Some days motivation disappears and discipline must carry your progress forward. Other days inspiration returns and reminds you why the journey matters. Progress often feels slow, but consistency quietly performs miracles over time. The goal is not perfection but steady direction toward growth and self-respect. Every healthy habit you practice becomes a vote for the person you wish to become. When you care for yourself properly, your energy becomes stronger and more reliable.
A balanced mind creates clearer decisions and healthier relationships.
Taking care of yourself allows you to show up fully for the people around you.
Strong individuals are not those who never struggle but those who keep improving.
Your future is quietly being designed by the actions you repeat today. Choose habits that your future self will sincerely thank you for. One positive habit practiced daily can transform your identity over time. 2 habits build momentum that gently pushes your life forward. 3 habits create stability that protects your progress during difficult seasons.
4 habits create structure that helps your goals stay organized and achievable. 5 habits develop confidence that encourages you to aim higher.
6 habits of self-care build a foundation for lifelong strength. Remember that meaningful change always begins with small, consistent steps. Patience allows those small steps to slowly create powerful transformation. Growth does not happen instantly, but it always rewards persistence. Every new day gives you another opportunity to practice better habits. Even imperfect effort still moves your life in the right direction. Your mind becomes stronger, when it learns to focus on progress instead of perfection. Self-respect grows when your actions begin matching your intentions. Confidence slowly develops through repeated acts of discipline and care. The habits you choose today will quietly shape the story of your life.
Treat your time, energy, and attention as valuable resources.
Protect them wisely and invest them in habits that strengthen your future. Your life will improve the moment you decide you are worthy of care.
Start with one habit and practice it patiently every day.
Add another habit once the first becomes natural.
Progress is still progress, and it always moves forward.
A calm, focused life is built step by step. Consistency will always outperform bursts of temporary motivation. Believe in small improvements repeated every single day. Over time, those improvements become powerful transformation. The better version of you is already forming through today's choices. Give that future version the support it deserves. Your journey toward growth deserves patience, understanding, and courage. No matter how slowly you move, you are still moving forward. Every step you take becomes proof that change is possible. Keep walking even when progress feels invisible. Eventually, the small steps create a path you can clearly see. The strongest version of yourself grows quietly through daily self-care. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. The life you want is slowly being built today.